Yeah, what's going on YouTube? So today I'm gonna be swapping the Barbie 56 Corvette. Hell yeah. Awesome. I can't wait. I'm glad they put the frisbee wheels on there because now I can put my own rims on there. So yeah, I already nail polish remover on there. Oh damn. Technical difficulties. 1 second. Okay, yeah, Butterfingers dropped the damn Barbie car. Okay, there it is, fellas, right there. Move this aside. Awesome. I'm gonna put the rims on. I'm putting them back in the package because this is the only one I got, and I'm wheel swapping it because I know I'm gonna find another one. Yeah. Awesome, 56 Corvette. Hell yeah! Look at that. And they did this Barbie 56 Corvette. Awesome. Look at that. But they just didn't put the right wheels on it. They're just confused to what wheels they wanted to put on there. Look at the front end there. Nicely detailed. If I can read that correctly, that says Barbie right there on the license plate. Trust me, those are little letters, man. You guys see it? It says Barbie. Tiny. Sweet. And it says, what does it say on the side? Yo, that is small. Hold on a second. I don't know what that says. Convertible? I don't know. I'll see it when I blow it up on the computer screen. That is tiny. What does that say? I don't know what it says, man. Corvette, I think. I can't see it, man. Alright, check it out, though. Alright, let's we'll swap this bad boy. Stay tuned, fellas. Alright, let's drill this Barbie car. Oh no, it's the Barbie cars. It's getting drilled. There we go. Don't worry, Barbie, you're gonna be getting some new shoes, man. These ones gotta go. Alright, I got the Barbie car taken apart. It's pretty straightforward. The nice casting. Probably just need some tail lights. Maybe, where are the tail lights? Here? I think they're here. I don't think these are tail lights. These on the side here. But yeah, this would be a nice custom job here. Custom paint job to a hotter pink for sure. Man, I wish I had some hot pink 5 stars for this casting. That would be awesome. Yeah. In the future, I gotta buy some paint stripper and some spray, those spray thingies, spray guns. Yeah. Okay, let's get to this wheel swapping. Stay tuned. Yeah, I just got a question from Mattel. Why would you do the Barbie Corvette with these? Why? Why? I don't understand. You gave this Barbie extra car some nice pink wheels. Why would you give the 56 Corvette these frisbee wheels? Come on, man. What the heck is wrong with you people at Mattel Creations, man? Awful idea, man. These, keep them on your fantasy cars. Okay? Thank you very much. Okay. I'm gonna put the wheels that I really think that would look great on this, and then I'm gonna put on other rims just to show you guys what this awesome 56 Corvette convertible looks like. Alright, stay tuned, fellas. Alright, just letting you guys know, this Corvette has really short axles, so if you guys plan on swapping this, make sure you guys got the adjustable axles, because look at how much space that is. Look at that. That's that much space. Okay. So yeah, you have to cut it down probably 4 millimeters. But yeah, that's really, really short axles, man. Alright, let's see what this bad boy looks like. Stay tuned. Alright, you guys ready for this? Check it out. Well, bam. See that? I visualized this already. I knew it was gonna look badass. Check it out. Chrome 5 stars on this convertible vet. Whew. Sweet. Look at that. Sick. Look a lot. Look at that. Damn. But check it out. Look how the wheels come, how far they come out though. Ooh, look at that. Damn, that's funny. But yeah, check it out, guys. That looks amazing. Bam. Close up. Look at that. Very nice. Awesome. Sweet. Yeah. Looks really nice. This would be a awesome super treasure hunt for sure. Like a hotter pink and some chrome 5 stars. Wow, that looks really nice. Sick. Alright, let's try some other colors. Put these rims on, check it out. It doesn't look too bad, look at that. Pink with the black wheels. Pretty cool. I still don't beat the chrome though. Hell no. No. Alright, next color. Okay, the last wheels I think is probably my second favorite. Check it out. Bam. White. It's a clean look. See that? Very clean look. Not bad. Very nice. Cool. Awesome, but check that out. So if you guys want to wheel swap this, make sure you guys got adjustable axles. But it looks really nice. Sweet. Alright, that was the 56 Corvette Barbie car wheel swap. Hope you guys enjoyed that. Thanks for watching. Peace out.